Hello grade 6, we are going to do subject prefix and suffix. Now, the prefix is something that is added to the front of the word and a suffix at the back of the word. So like we say here, prefix appear in the front and the suffix at the back of the word. Here we find just a little explanation of what prefix is. Word pre is before, un in front of the word is not, and miss is wrong or bad, and re is again. Just a little picture to show you that the suffix, the base word, and the suffix added at the back of the word. Okay, let's delve into prefixes and suffixes. So we start off by looking at what these prefixes mean. The prefix re means again. The prefix un means not. Try means three and pre before. Miss is wrong and this is not. Just to take note of how it changes the root of the word when you add a prefix in front of the root word. So we have said, what is a suffix? A suffix is a group of letters that we add at the end of a word. Suffixes, remember, suffixes changes the meaning of the word they are added to. For example, the suffix ful, the suffix means full of, in other words, a lot. An example is color. The word color becomes colorful. So, colorful means full of color. Another example of adding the suffix to the root word. Example, the root word is cheer plus a suffix. We say it is cheerful because a suffix is added to the back of the root word cheerful. So we look at a few examples of suffix and their meanings. Suffix is at the back of the root word. It's less, it is without. The word changes. Full, it is full of. Able, can be done. Word, in the direction. And ly, the way it is. So yes, the thumbs up emoji asking, did you understand what prefixes and suffixes are? So let's go. Add prefixes to the following. He always what behaved in class. Right? She was very what? Tidy. He was lazy and what? Reliable. He was kind to his dog. So here we can see we must add prefixes to the front. It happens in the front of the word and it changes the meaning. So yes, you guessed right. The answer to the exercise is misbehaved, untidy, unreliable, and unkind. Beautiful. We say add suffixes to the following. The children would jump what on the trampoline, and she was cheer what on her birthday. Suffixes at the back of the answers to the exercise, jumping and cheering. Lovely. So now we should all understand prefixes and suffixes. Remember, prefix in front of the root word and suffix gets added onto the back of the root word. Let's do some practice in our blue books.